Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys a midnight update. So at Consensus 2025, Charles Hoskinson has this nice little clip that I want to break down. So if you guys can, like, comment, subscribe, let me know your thoughts on midnight, and do you think it's going to be successful? Is it going to help ADA just get back to all-time highs or higher? So I just did a video giving you guys my ADA price prediction. So if you guys do go to the channel, we have 761 videos already. So it's only been a few years. This channel is growing. We're reviewing a bunch of products. So every weekend, I'm going to be putting out more content. So what we're going to talk about is this post right here. So what I'm going to do is play the video. So I should have it set up pretty good. And for those of you that hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, AVAX, Binance, Brave, so BAT token, I believe as well as Solana, so I'll cover that at the end, you will receive this airdrop. So it's already happened. So what he means by that is that I believe it's already been, a screenshot where, depending on how many tokens you had, you're probably going to be allocated in that regard. So I don't know how the claiming process is going to work. When that comes out, when the airdrop happens, I will do a tutorial if you have to claim it. So it may just be airdropped to your wallet. But again, we don't know 100%. So yeah, if you guys comment, when is this happening? How do I claim it? As of right now, no one's received it yet. Okay. So also keep in mind, this is a new layer 1 privacy focused blockchain. So Cardano is a partner chain. This is a brand new blockchain. So let's dive into this video real quick.
So here's what we're going to do with Midnight, launching soon. We're going to do a token drop, airdrop, called Glacier Drop, brand new distribution mechanism. And if you hold Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, XRP, if you hold Avalanche, BNB, if you hold Brave, because we like the bats people, if you hold any of these ecosystems, you already have it. Congratulations. It's for free. Just airdrop it to 37 million accounts. And you can do whatever the hell you want to do with it. You can ignore it and put it in the corner like a lonely dog. You can sell it. You can burn it. You can say, I really hate that Charles Hoskinson guy, so I'm just going to find a way to weaponize it against him. I don't give a shit. It's yours. It's your property. Anybody can take it. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring the entire industry together. It's going to bring all the people together. And it's going to give them a new way of thinking about things. The other magical part of it is the dual tokenomics model that we have. The idea of having a token and a capacity unit, which means that you can pay in any asset you want and just works.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That is a pretty big announcement, and I think it's an awesome update. So again, when we have more information regarding the actual airdrop itself, I believe it's just going to be airdropped to you. I don't think you'll have to claim it, but if there is a claiming process per chain, I will get into it, especially with ADA. I think that's going to be cool. And going forward with earning ADA, I'm pretty sure the way it's going to work is you're just going to have to delegate to a specific pool. So there are a lot of pools out there that you can delegate to. There's DApp Central, there's the Crow Node, etc. So depending on which pool you're allocating to, that's how you're going to receive more Midnight as well. So there's going to be a lot of exciting things going on with that. Guys, head over to the channel if you want to know how to stake ADA. I just did a recent video, so if we scroll down, let's see what we got. I know I did one that was pretty much a pretty good tutorial. So this was another airdrop ADA. This is similar to what we're doing now. Passive income. So how I'm earning passive income with ADA. That is a tutorial on how you can delegate to a stake pool. And the good thing about ADA and why I still like it is that your funds can stay on something like a hardware wallet. So I got a bunch of these Guys, so use the link tree, pick up a Tangem, Trezor, Ledger, whatever you use, but your funds can stay on this device, and it is pretty liquid in terms of delegating. So you sign a transaction, you delegate to a pool, and in the future, you'll be able to earn, depending on which pool you're in, some midnight, some dust. So that's going to be really exciting. So this is the Midnight website, bringing, oh, that's kind of cool. So bringing rational privacy to blockchain. So not everything should be visible on a blockchain. So this is going to be big for large institutions, right? When you want some data to be private, you want some to be public, you'll be able to manage that a lot better. So this is going to be big for businesses, right? So, the Amazons of the world where, you want the public to know some things, but not everything. So you will be able to do that with Midnight. So this is going to be really cool, man. Yeah, I've already done a bunch of videos on this, but I think that is a wicked announcement. On top of that, I did scroll down here and I did watch this video, and he did mention that Solana is on that list as well. So if you do hold some Sol, that is really cool as well. So guys, hit up the link tree, BDAG. So this is a new layer 1 that's coming out. They announced that they're going to be listed on 20 centralized exchanges. So that is going to be epic. As of right now, I believe it's already MEXC and some other small ones. But if this gets on crypto.com, if this gets on Coinbase, it could. This is an opportunity to get in on something new. So that should not be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. Here's a link to buy crypto. And then more importantly, protect your crypto. So utilize a hardware wallet. We have links for everything from the EliPal all the way to the Tangem wallet in Ring. So I have tutorials on this, how to set up these wallets properly and how to back up your seed. So actually, I did lose my Tangem Ring, but it's fine because I have my backup cards. I'm using that right now. And all I have to do is buy another ring and then plug in my words, my seed phrase. So if you do lose the device, you don't lose your crypto. So the best part about these is that it adds another layer of protection. Guys, under $50, you can protect your hard-earned crypto that you've been accumulating. So comment down below comment down below how successful you think Midnight's going to be. Do you think it's going to be a nothing burger, or is this going to be, a top 10, top 25 new blockchain? So we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.